Hi, my name is Alejandra de la Fuente. This is my final project about Christmas Day. I decided to choose this topic because Christmas is one of my favorite holidays for many reasons that I will explain below. One of the things I like to do in the Christmas season is decorate the pine. Besides hanging spheres, I like to decorate it with ribbons, Christmas figures, and lights. And the most important, the star at the top of the pine. Every year I go with my parents to do Christmas shopping. I enjoy buying winter clothes and seeing the decorations in the shopping centers. Also, one of the parts that I enjoy the most on these days is spend time with my family. I usually visit my grandparents and uncle on holidays and go out to party with my cousins. But on Christmas Day, we met at my grandmother's house and we celebrated with mass music, lots of food. We made gift dynamics, we danced, and we enjoyed the moment. Talking about food, I like Christmas because I eat a lot of delicious food. I usually make and bread cookies with my cousins, and with my parents, I help make Christmas dinner. At Christmas time, the weather is usually very cold. Therefore, one of my hobbies on these days is watching Christmas movies with a hot chocolate. I really enjoy it. One of my favorite movies is the sequel to A Christmas Prince, Royal Wedding, and The Royal Baby. I like all Christmas movies like Princess Switch 1 and 2, The Grinch, Christmas Chronicles, and others. And in conclusion, Christmas is one of my most important dates of the year because people tend to be happier. The atmosphere is usually more harmonious. The streets of the city are filled with Christmas lights. The houses are also decorated in this spirit, saying that people are happy celebrating this holiday with their families makes me feel calm, at peace, grateful with life, and especially with my family. This will be all from me. Thanks for your attention.